Alright, y'all, so I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm hyped for this video right here, y'all, because we got a product in house, man, that I've been looking forward to, y'all, for a long time, and it's finally here. So let's get to it. What up, squad? It's your boy CKid here, y'all. Today, man, we got the brand new Apple Watch Ultra here in house, man. I've been waiting to get this bad boy here for so long, man, ever since they announced it, and I'm so glad that it's finally here because y'all already know, man, I love smartwatches, y'all, and so this one here is kind of like, I feel like this is the king all right here. Nonetheless, y'all, we gonna get this bad boy unboxed, open it up, set it all up, show you guys every single thing you need to know about this watch, and we gonna see what I think. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Apple Watch Series 8. We're gonna go ahead and sit that one off to the side right there, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and crack open this boy. Woo. Now I ain't gonna lie, y'all, the unboxing experience that you get, this is probably by far one of the most premium unboxing that you get from an Apple Watch perspective. Now they definitely letting you know this bad boy is super premium. You get even like a booklet here that's like showing you guys all of the features, side button, GPS, all of that good stuff is all in there. So let's go ahead and sit that there. You know, we ain't gonna throw that one on the floor. You know, that seems a little premium. Now this one here, y'all, looks like this is gonna be the watch in itself. It seems big, it seems heavy. All right, but we're gonna sit that off to the side. And then I also got the orange loop band here. Now I went with the Alpine loop. I feel like this one here is probably gonna look the best when it comes to like matching up with that orange button with the action button on the side. So I'm gonna let y'all see that here in a second, but let's get to the watch, man, because I know that's what you guys want to see, and that's what I want to see too. So let's go ahead and take this one open. Okay, so it's got like a little hinge. Okay. Oh no, I just didn't peel the other side. All right, hold up. Go ahead and open it up. All right, we got nothing there. And then here we got, looks like the charge cable. Oh, you get a braided cable. Okay, so you pretty much get the same braided cable that you get on something like your MacBook Pro, but the cable in itself, y'all, is a braided cable, which I'm hyped for because y'all already know, man, them regular Apple cables be messing up. So the fact that we getting a braided cable, man, is just another, you know, it's another factor to add on to the fact that this is a premium watch that you guys are getting for sure. But let's go ahead and get into the big boy. Oh yeah, this bad boy got some weight to it. Okay, hold up. All right, so let me go ahead and take this one off. Oh my gosh, this looks so clean, y'all. Oh man, let's go ahead and get it booted up while we let's go ahead and get it booted up before I actually put the watch band on. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but man. Okay, all right, hold on, wait a minute. Before I get ahead of myself, let me go ahead and put the watch band on here. Now I'm not gonna lie, the band in itself, it doesn't feel like too high quality in itself, but I'm pretty sure it's a strong, durable band. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm not a fan of this band, not one bit. We got the watch here, so let me go ahead and grab my phone here, and so let's go ahead and get this watch paired up. Hold that right there. All in all, man, I'm not even gonna front, man, this one here, man, this is the Apple Watch, y'all. This is what I feel like the Apple Watch should have been, like almost from jump. Now I do have somewhat of a bigger wrist, so I do like how it kind of fits perfectly with this. Now this flat display, y'all, I'm telling you, is it's so fire, y'all. All right, so what we can do here with this watch here, we can set our action button. So let's see here, we can do backtrack, we can do dive, flashlight. Let's just set it for a stopwatch right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so while it's actually syncing up, let's go ahead and talk about some of the differences that I'm noticing with this watch over something like the Apple Watch Series 8. First off, the screen, y'all, like the screen having this flat design, man, I'm hoping in the future that this is the future of Apple Watch displays, is the fact that it's going with more of this flat display versus kind of how we have right here, this rounded edge whole design right here, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, man, this flat display here is just it's dope looking, y'all. The other thing is, I will say, the Apple Watch Ultra is much heavier than something like the Apple Watch Series 8, as well as the SE. I can tell it definitely has got some weight to it, but it's not like one of those things where it's just like super heavy to be having in your hands or wearing on your wrist or anything like that. So you're not gonna get anything like arm fatigue or nothing like that, or wrist fatigue. All right, y'all, so we finally got the watch all set up here, man, and I went with this complication watch face here, y'all. I think it actually looks dope. Now it's not even gonna lie, it's a lot going on when it comes to this watch face here, but you know, I feel like with a watch like this that has a crazy claim when it comes to the battery life on this watch, which we gonna definitely test out here on the channel. I feel like a complication like this watch should be able to handle it no problem. Now, another thing I will say, I do like, just kind of with playing around with it for a little bit, I do like this action button here, y'all, because what's dope about it is, though, if I just press it one time, boom, it's gonna start my stopwatch. But then if I want to say let's stop it, I can just press and hold, just press on both buttons here, and then boom, it's gonna stop the watch. And then if I want to go ahead and resume it, I can just go ahead and press it, both of them, and it's going to resume that watch. Then if I want to go ahead and add a lap, I can just press the action button and it's going to mark a lap. Like, to me, this is really dope, man. If you guys are runners out there, shout out to my guy Hella Good, man, that's out there. That guy runs literally every freaking day, so shout out to him, man. But this is going to be like something that's super dope when it comes to someone that may be looking for a watch that can be able to do a lot of these certain tasks. Now, another thing that I will say that I like about this watch is I do like the bigger digital crown that you get with it, because it just makes it a whole lot easier to be able to just kind of navigate through your watch without having to kind of, you know, find the little dial on the side or whatnot. It just makes it a whole lot easier. Again, I love this display that you get on this watch. I hope that Apple in the future is really thinking about converting the older ones here over, and I'm not gonna say the older one because this is the Series 8, but converting these over to this flat design that we get here on the Ultra, y'all, because this flat display, oh man, it looks so good. And then the other thing is we have a kind of a bigger button that we get here on the side to access a lot of our applications that we have here within the menu. And just having this larger display, man, I was thinking like 49 millimeters was gonna be a lot, was gonna be kind of like too big, but I feel like, y'all, 49 millimeters is like perfect. Like, it's big, but it's not like big, like, if that makes sense. Like, it's perfect. Now, again, I think if you're gonna be somebody out there that has like a smaller wrist, then I will say this probably will look, you know, kind of big on your wrist. But I will say for somebody like myself, I feel, man, this is like the perfect size for me. Like, it doesn't seem too big, it just seems perfect. The only thing that I will say that I would change is I do like having an orange band, but I will say with this band in itself, I'm not a huge fan of this particular style band, but just because I get it, like, I get it with the whole loop and all of that, but I just feel like it's not as intuitive as far as taking on and off, and I just need something where I can easily just, you know, flip it and just boom, take it off. Preferably something in the magnetic realm. But all in all, man, I can say, y'all, this watch looks amazing, y'all. And I think if anybody out there that's looking for an Apple Watch that's going to be different in the smartwatch space, yo, Apple Watch, y'all did y'all thing. But anyway, man, let me know what questions y'all have down in the comment section below, and I'm gonna be doing a full testing of this one, man. We're gonna check out battery life, we're gonna check out the display when it comes to like being out and about in natural sunlight, because again, this watch is geared towards those people that are gonna be more adventurous, whether you're hikers, deep divers, recreational divers, just high-end sports athletes and different things like that. So this watch is gonna be geared towards that, so we're gonna try to do our best. Again, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm not a hiker, I'm not a recreational diver, I don't climb Mount Kilimanjaro. That's just not the realm I'm in. But I don't necessarily think, this is just me, I understand that this is a premium watch, this is a $700 watch, but I will say, just from having it on my wrist here, y'all, I'm not gonna say that this watch is only for people who are in those types of environments, right? Like, I feel like the average person could actually wear this watch and enjoy it, because I'm telling you right now, once you see this display, it's gonna be hard to kind of go back to anything else. I'm just being honest, y'all. But nonetheless, y'all, we're gonna test it out. Let me know what questions y'all have down in the comment section below, and like always, y'all, make your move and always remember your why, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad. Woo! Tell me this watch ain't dope, y'all. Oh my god.